Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number 3, new exercise, that is 3.3. Let's come to the exercise. What the exercise is saying. The first question of the exercise is saying, using the divisibility test, determine whether the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. If it is divisible, we have to put yes like this, otherwise no. Okay. So the numbers which are given to us, let's do the divisibility test of 2 right now. Let's do all the divisibility test of 2. The number which is given is 990. And what is the divisibility rule of 2? That the last number must be even number, okay, and should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, okay, and 0 is there, so yes, it is divisible by 2. The last number, the number is 1586, the last number is 6, yes, it is divisible because 6 is divisible by 2. Okay. 275, no, it is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. It is not a even number, so no, it is not divisible by 2. 6686, let's see, the last number is 6, yes, it means it is divisible by 2. Okay, number is 639210 and last number is 0. This means it is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Now the number is 429714. 429714. Okay, the last number, the last digit of the number is 4 and 4 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Now the number is 2856. 2856 and the last digit is 6 and 6 is divisible by 2. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. 3060, the last digit of the number is 0. Yes, this means this number is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. These all are the divisibility rule of 2. Okay, and the last number is 406839 and the last digit of the number is 9. This means 9 is not divisible by 2 and 9 is also not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. I hope you guys understood. Okay, now check the divisibility rule of 3. We have to check the divisibility rule of 3. Okay, whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, you guys remember the divisibility rule of 3? I hope you guys remember, and I'm telling you what is the divisibility rule of 3. The divisibility rule of 3, whichever number is given to us, like 990 is given to us, we have to add all the digits of the given number. We have to add all the digits of the given number, that is 9 plus 9 plus 0. 9 plus 9 is 18. If the sum is divisible by 3, if the sum is divisible by 3, then it means the number is divisible by 3. In 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. This means 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, it means yes, 990 is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 6 are 18. Okay, means divisible by 3. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Means we have to add all the numbers, then whatsoever sum is there, we have to divide that particular sum, okay, by 3. Let's do it. The next question, is 1586. Let's add the number 1 plus 5, sorry, 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, and 20 is not divisible by 3. 20 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. I hope you guys understood. Now let's move to the third question. The third question is 275. 2 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, and 14 is not divisible by 3. 14 is not divisible by 3. This means this number is also not divisible by 3. This number is also not divisible by 3. Okay, the number is 6686. Okay, let's add the number. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 18. 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 should be divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Now let's move to the next question. 6 plus 3, the number is given 6 3 9 210. Let's add all the numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20, and 21. Okay, 21 is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. This means this number is divisible by 3. Now the next question, 429714. 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, now let's check out the addition. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. 3 nines are 27. This means this number is also divisible by 3. Now let's move to the next question, which is given to us, that is 2856. Okay, 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 10 plus 15 plus 6 is equals to 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. This means this number is also divisible by 3. I hope you guys are understood that it is very easy concept. You have to add all the digits given in the numbers, and if the sum is divisible, then the number is also divisible. Okay, 3060. 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. This means this number is also divisible by 3. Now let's move to the next question. The number which is given is 406839. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. 10 plus 18. 18 plus 3 is 18 plus is 21. 20 plus 9 is 30, and 30 is divisible by 3. This means this number is also divisible by 3. Okay, now let's move to the question number 4. Okay, next, the divisibility rule of 4. Okay, let's test the divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? I have already told you that whatever number is given to you, okay, like 990 is given, you have to check the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4 or not. Divisible by 4 or not. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then this means the number is divisible by 4. Okay, and the last digit of the number is 90, and 90 is not divisible by 4. This means the number 990 is not divisible by 4. Okay, now the next number is 1586. Sorry, 1586. Let's 686 is divisible by 4 or not. 86, 4 to the 8, 6 is remainder, 6. 6 is not divisible by 2. Then this number is also not divisible by 4. This and sorry, 6 is not divisible by 4. Okay, and now the number is 275. 275, 75, 4 ones are 4, 35, and 35 is not divisible by 4. This means this number is also not divisible by 4. Let's check the other number. 6 is 86. Let's check it out. 86 is divisible by 4. 4 twos are 8, and 6. 4 ones are 4. 2 is remaining. Means the remainder is coming. This means this number is also not divisible by 4. Now let's check it out. The number 639210, 10, 4 twos are 8, 2 is remainder. This means this number is also not divisible by 4. This number is also not divisible by 4. Okay, now check it out. The next number, the number is 429714, 429714. This means 14 is the number, and the 4 threes are 12. 2 is remainder, means this number is also not divisible by 4. This number is also not divisible by 4. Now next, 2856. Let's take the last two digit of the number, that is 56. 4 ones are 4, 1, 4, 4, just 16. This means this 56 is divisible by 4. This means this number is also divisible by 4. Okay, now the number is given to you is 3060. The last two digit is 60. 4 ones are 4, 2, 4 fives are 20. Means 60 is divisible by 4. Okay, this means this number is also divisible by 4. 406839. Let's check it out. 39 is divisible by 4. 39 is not divisible by 4. 4 nines are 36. 3 is remainder. This means this number is also not divisible by 4. Okay, now let's move to the divisibility rule of 5. And divisibility rule of 5 is very easy. Okay, the number, whatsoever the number is given to you, if the last digit of the number is 5 or 0, this means the number will be divisible by 5. I am repeating once again. If the last digit of the number is 5 and 0, okay, sorry, 5 or 0, means 5 should be there at last or 0 should be there at last. If any one digit is there at last, this means the number is divisible by 5. The number is 990. The number is 990 at last. 990, 0 is there. This means it is divisible. The next number is 1586. 1586, 6 is there. This means this number is not divisible. 275, 5 is there. Okay, this means this number is divisible. The next number is 6686. 6 is there. This means this number is not divisible. 639210. 0 is there. This means this number is divisible. Now the next number 429714. 4 is there in last. The last digit is 4. This means this number is also not divisible. 2856. 6 is there. 6 is there. Okay. In the last digit is 6. This means this number is also not divisible. 3060. 0 is there in the last. This means this number is divisible. 4068399 is there. Okay, so this number is also not divisible. Okay, now let's move to the divisibility rule of 6. Let's move to the divisibility rule of 6. And the divisibility rule of 6, okay, first of all we have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. If the number is divisible by 2, then we have to check it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, if the number is not divisible by 2, then we will not check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, there are two criteria. First one, it should be divisible by 2. If first one is fulfilled, then we will move to the criteria number 2, that is divisible by 3 or not. If first is not meeting, then we will not move further. Okay, so what we have to check it out? 990. First of all, 0 is there, it means it is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 2. And next, what we have to check, whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, then means this number is divisible by, and it is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 6. Both the criteria is meeting. Okay, that means it is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6. Now the next number is given to you is 1586. 1586. 2 is divisible. Okay, it is divisible by 2. But 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, 6, 16, 6, 6, 12 plus 18, 20 is not divisible by 3. This means this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now 275. The last number is odd number, means it is not divisible by 2. This means this number is not divisible by 6. 6686. The number 6 is there. This means it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. But let's check it out whether it is divisible by 6 or not. 3 or not. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 is 20. 26, and 26 is not divisible by 3. This means this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is 639210. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 0 is there, it means it is divisible by 2. Okay, now let's check it out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and 21. Yes, it is divisible. 21 is divisible by 3, means this number is also divisible by 6. This number is also divisible by 6. Okay, now the next number is 429714. 429714. 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. Because 4 is there, 4 is divisible by 2. Then we have to check it out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20, and 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. This means this number is divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 6. Now let's check it out the next number. Next number is given to us is 2856. 6 is there, this means it is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2. Let's check it out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 10, 10 plus 6 is 16 plus 5 is 21. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, this means this number is also divisible by 6. Let's move to the next question. The next question is 3060. 0 is there. This means this number is divisible by 2. And 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. And 9 is also divisible by 3. This means this number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's move to the question number 406839. 9 is there. This means this number is not divisible by 2. Okay. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, I hope you guys understood what I am telling. Okay, now next what is saying, find out the numbers that is divisible by 8, whether they are divisible by 8 or not, whether they are divisible by 8 or not. The divisibility rule of 8 is we have to check whether the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8 or not. We have to check. Okay, whatsoever number is given, if the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then we can say the number is divisible by 8. The first number is given to us is 990. Let's check it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 19, 8 to just 16, 30. Okay, and 30 is not divisible by 8. This means this number is not divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 8. Okay, I have taken complete number because in this number only 3 digits are there. Only 3 digits are there. That's why we have to divide the whole number. Okay, now the number is 1586. We have to take the last 3 digit. Okay, last 3 digit of the number means 586 is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, 7 8 ja 8 7 ja 56, 2 and 6, and 8 2 ja 16, and 8 3 ja 24. And it is not divisible by 2 because 2 is remainder. This means this number is not divisible by 8. This means this number is not divisible by 8. Okay, now 275. 275, let's check it out. 275. Okay, no, 8 3 ja 24. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 35. 35 is not divisible by 8. This means this number is not divisible by 8. This means this number is also not divisible by 8. Now let's check it out. The next number which is given to us is 6685. Let's take the 3 digit 685. 685. 685. Let's check it out whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 8 8 just 64, 4 and 5. Okay, and 8 5s are 45 is remaining. This means this number is also not divisible by, this number is also not divisible by 8. This number is also not divisible by 8. The next number is 639210. 210. 210. We have to take 210. 210. 8 to just 16, and 550, and 50 is not divisible by 8. If 50 is not divisible by 8. Okay, because 8 6 are 48, 2 is remaining. Okay, this means this number is also not divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 8. Okay, try the next question. what the question is saying. 429714 714 714, sorry, 714 8 8 8 ja 64. Okay, 8 8 ja 64. Now 11 minus 4 is 7. This is 74. And 8 9 ja 72. 2 is remainder, means this number is also not divisible by, this number is also not divisible by 8. This number is also not divisible by 8. The next number is 2856. 2856. Let's take 856. Let's check it out whether 856 is divisible by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 5, okay, 0 6, okay, and 8 7 ja 56. Okay, means this number is divisible by 8. Yes, means this number is divisible by 8. Now let's move to the next question, that is 3060, and the last 3 digit is 60 because we cannot take 0. Okay, so 856, 4 is remainder, this number is not divisible by 8. 406839. Let's take the last 3 digit number of the number 839. 8 ones are 8, 309, and 8 fives are 40. Okay, 32. It's not divisible. This means this number is not divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 8. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding what I am doing. Okay, divisibility rule is very easy. Okay, when the big numbers are there, 5 digit, 10 digit, 7 digit numbers are there, and you have to find it out whether it is divisible by 3 or 4 or 5 or not. Okay, then this divisibility rule is very much important for you guys. Okay, so now let's move to the divisibility rule of 9. Let's move to the divisibility rule of 9. And the divisibility rule of 9 is, we have to, is same as divisibility rule of 3. Means we have to add all the numbers. We have to add all the numbers and then we have to divide it by 9. In 3, after adding the number, the sum should be divisible by 3. But in 9, after adding the numbers, sum should be divisible by 9. Okay, so let's check it out. 990, 9 plus 9 plus 0, 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. This means this number is divisible by 9. The next number is 1586. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 2 20. Okay, 20 is not divisible by 9. This means this number is not divisible by 9. This number is not divisible by 9. The next number is 275. 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 is not divisible by 9. Okay, 2 plus 7 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 is not divisible by 9. This means this number is also not divisible by 9. 6686. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 is not divisible by 9. 26 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so this number is also not divisible by 9. Now the next number is 639210. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9 is, sorry, 18 plus 2 is 20, and then 21, 21. Okay, and 21 is not divisible by 9. This means this number is also not divisible by 9. This means this number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, now the next number, 429714. 429714. Please add all the numbers. Please add all the numbers. 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Plus 1 is 20, and 7, 27. Okay. While adding, find out the terms. Okay, after adding them, okay, some will become easier. Okay, in zeros you will get in zeros, means 4 plus 2 is 6. If I will add 9, we have to calculate, but if I will calculate it like that, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, and 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20, and 20 plus 7 is 27. Okay, and 27 is divisible by 9. This means this number is also divisible by 9. This number is also divisible by 9. Okay, now the next number is 2856. 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 10. 10 plus 15. 15 plus 6 is 21, and 21 is not divisible by 9. 21 is not divisible by 9. So easy. 3060. 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0, and 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. This means this number is divisible by 9. Okay, it is as easy as it. 406839. Okay, what we have to do? 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 3 is 30, and 30 is not divisible by 9, means this number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, now let's move to the divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10, and the divisibility rule of 10 is very easy. Okay, means the last digit of the number must be 0. Must be 0. If the last digit of the number is 0, then you can say the number is divisible by 10. Otherwise it is not divisible by 10. Otherwise it is not divisible by 10. The number is 990. 0 is there. This means this is divisible. Okay, the next number is 1586. 6 is there. It is not divisible. 275. 5 is there. It is not divisible. 6686. 6 is there. It is not divisible. 639210. 0 is there. This means this is divisible. 429714. 4 is there. This means this is not divisible. Next, 2856. 6 is there. This means this is not divisible. 3060. 0 is there. This means this is divisible. 406839. 9 is there. This means this is not divisible. This is not divisible. Okay. I hope you guys understood. Now, we have to check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. 11 or not. Okay. And the divisibility rule of 11, I have told you, it the divisibility rule of 11 is little bit complicated. So just be listen carefully. Okay, what we have to do, 990. Okay, we have to take even numbers, okay, over here, and odd numbers. Okay, means one is over here is one digit, second digit, third digit. Okay, like this. Okay, then we have to take the digits present in the odd numbers, present in the odd numbers, that is 0 and 9. Okay, we have to add this number, means 9 plus 0, and even place number, that is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay, and 9 over here. Then we have to add both the numbers, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 is not divisible by 11, and 18 is not divisible by 11. Okay, if the sum is coming, if the sum is coming 0, if the sum is coming 0, or in the multiple of in the multiple of 11, then we can say the number is divisible by 11. The number is divisible by 11. Okay, sorry, we have to subtract the number, subtract the number. First of all, we have to add, then we have to subtract, first of all we have to add, after that we have to subtract. So 9 plus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. This means this number is divisible by 11. Okay, I'm sorry. Means first of all we have to add the numbers. We have to add the given numbers. Okay, then whatever sum is there of the even numbers and the odd numbers, we have to subtract that number. Okay, if the subtraction is coming 0, okay, or in the multiple of 11, like 11, 22, 33, like this, then we can say the number is divisible by 11. Okay, means this number is divisible by 11, this number is divisible by 11. Now 1586. Okay, this is the easy way, means we have to take one first number, then we have to leave second, we have to take the third number, then we have to leave, we have to jump one number and add them. Okay, so it is the place of ones, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have to add the number present in the even digit, that is 1 plus 8, and the number present in the odd digit, that is 6 plus 5, 9, and 9 plus and 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, then we have to subtract it. 11 minus 9 is 2, and 2 is neither 0 nor the multiple of 11. Then we can say this number is not divisible by 11. This number is not divisible by 11. Okay, first of all we have to find the sum of the numbers. Then after finding the sum, we have to subtract both the sums. If the number is 0, or in the multiple of 11, then we can say the number is divisible by 11. Otherwise the number is not divisible by 11. Okay, now 275, ones place, seconds place, and third place. Okay, we have to add odd digits, odd digits like 5 plus 2 is 7, and even digit, that is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. This means this number is divisible by, this number is divisible by, this number is divisible by 11. Okay, now the next number is 6686. 6 once, second, third, fourth. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 14 minus 12 is 2, and 2 is not divisible by 11. So this number is also not divisible by 11. This number is also not divisible by 11. Okay. First of all, we have to add, then the sum of the numbers, the sum of the digits, then we have to subtract that. Then we have to subtract them. Now the number is 639210. Be careful in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means we have to add all these numbers. Okay. Means 6 plus 9 plus 1 is 16. Now these 3 plus 2 plus 0 is 5, and 16 minus 5 is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. This means this number is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Okay, now the number is 429714. 429714. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4 plus 9 plus 1. I hope now you guys understood. 14. 2 plus 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 14 minus 13 is equals to 1. 14 minus 13 is equals to 1, and 1 is not divisible by 11, nor it is 0. This number is not divisible by 11. This number is not divisible by 11. This number is not divisible by 11. 2856. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. 14, 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. So this number is also not divisible by 11. This number is also not divisible by 11. Three zero six zero. 3 plus 6. Okay, now 0 plus 0 and 9 and 0. 9 minus 0 is 9, and 9 is not divisible by 11. So we can say this number is not divisible by 11. Now 406839. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 plus 6 plus 3 is 13. 0 plus 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, and 17 minus 13, okay, is 4. Okay, so this number is also not divisible by, this number is also not divisible by 11. This number is also not divisible by 11. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Okay, so the question number 1 is completed of exercise 3.3. Okay, the next question we will continue in our next video. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care, and please like and subscribe my video and share with your friends. Okay, have a great day ahead. Bye bye, guys.